a startup of my HVAC system. I'm gonna show you really quick. Can't hear anything right now because it's not on. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the flashlight. Find it here. Can't turn off. This is the inside of my vent. My old one is the train, but we got a new one. New HVAC system. I can't show you the AC itself outside right now because it's dark. Here it is, all done. There's the return air vent. Can't show you the previous one, but the previous one is the train. But the new one's the John Wayne Lone Star. I showed you the air handler in the closet. I'm gonna put you right here so you can hear the vent starting up. Right now you can't hear anything right now. Hear nothing inside. Once it gets hot enough, the AC is going to decide to start up. I'm going to shut up so we can hear it. It's going to take some time here. The old one was a single speed, but the new one's a variable speed. There's no flex duct or nothing that goes in there, that's just a big box. I'll bring you to part 2.